Alright, we're over here. We'll look at some washer. Higher. Ehi. Ah, va, i nuovi modelli ci sono. Ma là che non succede mica nulla. Voglio vedere i modelli qua qui. New Samsung. Oh, suddenly turned off. I want to try parametric mode. Samsung with the manual detergent, add wash with head shield, and it's just try model, so it has super speed. I calmo. Quick dry with spray. I'm sorry it's the spray model, no? The newer bespoke as well. Mixed load one. Samsung bespoke with this is an autodose. Spray model because it had the head shield. Super speed. This is the 9 kilogram, so it's possibly the recirculation spray one. But it's turned off. Bosch. IDOS 4D wash system, so that system. Manual detergent drawer 4D wash system. Purple dryer, wash, Electrolux. These are all dryers, let's just move on. AG washer dryer. These are washer dryers. No jet system. New Age washer dryer. No jet system. You can put pots on this one as well. No jet system, unfortunately. Electrolux Perfect Care without the jet system. Samsung AI non-spray model mixed load cycle. Ma li sto guardando. Whirlpool autodose. Another autodose higher. Nice. Beko WTX. Does it have the door tab? Yes, it does. Bosch. Quite a great model. No jet system. Excuse me. This looks like an Beko. Look at the drum. It's made by Beko. It looks like an Aquatech. Steam Energy. Oh, in the shit. With the instant lock, I don't like it. Vestel. Smeg made by Vestel. Horrible machine. This is horrible. Don't like it. Candy Rapido. Cascade Fill, as I can say. LG washer dryer. Yep, it's the IDD one. Samsung washer dryer. It's an autodose, non-spray mixed load. Samsung washer dryer. What kind of? It uses the old drum, but what the fuck is these paddles? It uses the diamond drum. Candy. Hasn't had. Higher. LG. 11 kg. No. Oh là, cos'è questo? Ah, va là. Guarda che bella questa.
Non aprirle.
Ah, voglio vederle. Guarda. Lavatrice e asciugatrice insieme.
Sì, però sta fermo.
No, là che non succede nulla. This is the wash tower, LG. Love it. Oh. Cosa c'è? Washer dryer. 9.5 kilograms. AIDD1. LG. 2 LGs. 9 and 8 kilograms. Both have the AIDD. Another LG. 10 kilogram AIDD. Autodoors. This one is the Autodoors LG. Yep, it has also the AIDD. These are horrible. No thanks, I don't want one of them. One of my friends have one of these, but without the display. Higher. Electrolux Slim model. Smeg. By Vestel, obviously. Samsung. Old drum, but it uses crystal blue patterns. Another Smeg made by Vestel. 2 ages, slim models. No. I think that's everything. Kinda love this